Hi Jagdeep.
Hello, sir.
Hi. So, on what topic you are presenting the poster?
The title of the poster is Zero Trust Privacy Fabric for 6G Networks. I'm Assistant Professor at Slide Longawal in Computer Science and Engineering departments. Today, the poster is regarding the privacy preservation and security issues in computer networks. So this particular ZTA architecture, Zero Trust Privacy Architecture, is deployed in multiple organizations, in multiple MNCs with 4G and 5G. But here it's a proposal for 6G network. Here Zero Trust, a privacy will be implemented with the benefits of 6G networks for our user base. In this particular work, users' data will be collected from the heterogeneous devices, and this data should be communicated to the edge node with Zero Trust node gate 1. Then Zero Trust gate 2 will be applied, but Zero Trust gate 2 is more powerful than Zero Trust gate 1. Then this data is beyond circulated from the base station to the cloud station, and then the decision and model training will be performed at Zero Trust Gate 3, and from the Zero Trust Gate 3, the Zero Trust Gate 4, the final BP and aggregated decisions will be collected, and this whole process should be done in the form of 4 Zero Trust gates. So all this process will be a great beneficial for our society with the objective of, in this particular work, 4 objectives are available. In first objective, to design a secure and privacy preserving 6G network integrating Edge AI and ZTA principle. In the second objective, physical layer secrecy using RIS. And in third objective, we will develop a federated learning pipeline with DP for user data protection and trust verification. And in the final objective, we will apply multi-layer security with the help of physical layer security, network layer security, and the learning as well. So this proposed protocol or standardization will be very helpful for our users and society in upcoming 5 years or upcoming 10 years. The results are tested using the real-time test cases, and these are 2 results are just few snapshots for the accuracy of this model, and this particular approach is translated into technology transform format because this has the potential for translation into product. And as the conclusion part of this particular research is, this model is integrate physical layer security, network layer security, and machine learning based infrastructure. So it's a very good model for the users to securing their privacy with the help of 6G networks. And the acknowledgement part of this work is the credit goes to Slide Longawal for providing the learning platform, and the Department of Computer Science Engineering for acknowledging and continuously giving the platform for learning and best effort delivery. And one more important special thanks to our Professor Sanjay Kumar Dhurandhar, who is the director in NILET Delhi. He is my supervisor for his constant guidance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Jagdeep.